Hello kids, welcome to Multiplication Table Mastery. Today we are going to master Tables 3. Before starting Tables 3, we'll just recap 8th table. For this, I'll be giving you 1 minute time and your time starts now. Time's up. If you didn't complete everything, you just pause this video and try to complete all the questions because this is just the revision. The scores and all, we don't want the scores and all for this test. Okay, this is not a test, this is the recap. Okay, so try to complete all the things. Now you can check your answer. The self-evaluation is very, very important. Then only you can identify your mistakes. So for the checking answer, I'll be giving you 30 seconds. Time's up. Today's agenda, we are going to master third table and we have a quiz. Okay. For this thing, get ready with your notebook and your pen. Shall we start today's class? We are going to master tables 3. After the session, you are expert in tables 3, right? Yes. Now third table mastery. Like every masteries, this table 3 mastery is also going to start with the pre-test and it is having a Jamboard activity and 5-minute game. Then at last we'll be having a post-test. Okay. First, it's time for writing pre-test. Are you all ready? Take your notebook and your pre-test. Your time starts now. Just write the questions, whatever you know, okay? There is no problem. According to pre-test, there is no problem. Whether you're writing only 2 or 3, no problem. Just write. Whatever you know, you just write that. Time's up. Now it's time for checking your answers. For this checking answer, I'll be giving you 30 seconds. Time's up. Okay, now note down your pre-test score here. After completing post-test, you can send this report to me through WhatsApp. Okay, ma? Yes. Write the tables. For writing the table, I'll be giving you 1 minute time and your time starts now. Why we are writing this table now? When you are doing a Jamboard activity or playing a game, if you have any doubts, you can refer the sheet. You should not say from 3 1 is 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. Don't start from the beginning. Okay. If you have any doubt, 3 7 is what? Just refer the sheet. 3 7 are 21, like that. Okay. Don't say from the beginning. So for that only we are writing this table. So write the table, use this paper as a reference. Okay. Okay. Now, do you feel any numbers is difficult to remember? Are you feeling anything difficulty to remember in this table? For example, any bigger number, 24 or 27, anything? Is there anything like this? If it is, for example, if it is 27 is difficult for you to remember now, what you can do? You just remember only this fact. Okay, what in which fact you are having a doubt? No, you are feeling difficulty. No, just remember this fact. For example, 3 into 9, 27. Just remember this fact alone. 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 9, 27. What is 27? 3 into 9. What is 27? 3 into 9. Like this. Okay. Next, we are going to play the Jamboard activity. For playing the Jamboard activity, just look at here on the top corner, you are having a more actions button. If you click in this button, you'll be getting the make a copy option. You can click and make it a copy of it. So now it become a copy. Then only you can get the editing tools and all. Okay, if you didn't make a copy, you can't edit the page. To edit the page, what you have to do first? You should make the copy. Okay, now you can edit these pages. Here you have a pen tool, eraser, and you have a arrow to drag the numbers, and you have a text box also. Okay, if you want to go to the next page, you can go like this. This link, I'll send this link with this video itself. So just pause the video and do this activity. After then, you can continue the video. Okay. Okay, did you complete the Jamboard activity? After the Jamboard activity, you'll be having a 5 minutes game. For this game, I sent the link with this video. Just click the link, pass this video and click the link, go and play the game. After finishing the game, continue the video. Okay, did you play the game? After this game, our next activity is our post-test. For writing post-test, I'll be giving you 1 minute time and your time starts now. If you are having any doubts in between, what you have to do? You can refer the sheet. We write the tables for the reference, no? You can refer it, okay? Don't hesitate to refer the sheet. What you should not do? You should not say the tables from beginning, okay? Wherever you are having doubt, just refer the sheet. Don't say the tables from the beginning. Time's up. Now correct your post-test by yourself. And for this, I'll be giving you 30 seconds and your time starts now. Time's up. And now note down your post-test score. Already we have completed pre-test. This reporting scores is very, very important because according to the pre-test and post-test scores only, we are going to work in the live sessions. Okay. Yes. At last, you have a quizzes game. For the game, I'll be giving you the link below this video. Just click the link and play the game. Finish this third table mastery before coming to the live session. We'll meet you in the live session.
Thank you.